Sight.
Okay, hang on a minute. Let me see if it'll paint that far. See your red dot?
Okay, so it's going to go right where my red dot is.
Put your red dot right at the bottom of the white.
Bottom of it?
Yes. Up a little bit. Right in there. And you're ready to flip it to fire and go.
This is
I thought you said down. Oh, go down.
300 AC Blackout.
Yep.
Okay.
300 AC Blackout.
Yep, she hit it.
You can hear it whacking it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, she hit the arm, I think. Yep, it's going down.
Alright, baby.
She could probably has one more shot left in it.
Yeah, but Josh was wanting to shoot.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
I'll let her save him a round.
That's pretty cool.
You get to knock it down, Josh.
Which one?
That has some punch to it, huh?
Cool. Not really.
No, I mean the round does.
Oh, the round, but the...
There it goes.
Yay!
That's the only shot you get, buddy.
That's the only shot he needed.
Oh, the shot he needed, the kill shot. Right?
Yeah.
That thing's dead center, dude.
Let's
Let
me get a good.
It's dead center. Thank you, Carl.
That's pretty cool.
That's sweet. I'll give you $50 for it.
And this is actually considered a handgun.
Right.
I can carry this with my handgun permit.
What? Yeah. That's what I said. We had to show it to them.